And I think it's pretty cool that he opened up the property. We'll probably have a bonfire later. But guys, the view though. Just look at the view, like peace and serenity. The only odd thing I must say is those birds flying in circles, because I'm having flashbacks of movies where there's dead bodies and it kind of creeps me out, but I hope nothing happens tonight. But I love to.
No.
Ooh, sardines right here. Who's eating this? Tomate salsa de... Oh, maybe I should try that. Okay, I felt a cold front. People think I'm crazy. When I feel a cold front, the rain is coming. People don't believe me, but watch. I'm gonna enjoy my meal though. ¿Dónde está el baño?